Good day to all my friends, subscribers, and viewers. We have another listing, guys. This is 1,000 square meters with 35 meters wide frontage at 1,500 pesos per square meter. So, maigo nig mga 1.5 million, guys. So, pero 1,000 kay murag na ikapin ani 1,500 pesos per square meter. So, 35 meters ang frontage meaning wide yun. So, it's really a good listing. It's a clean title and few minutes away or drive from the hospital. Dool ra sa hospital, guys, sa Emilio. Don Emilio Ubay, Bohol. So, dool siya dito sa hospital, guys. Which is ideal for an apartment development. The good thing here that you can buy a portion of 500 square meters. So, pwede ka kapalit og katunga sa 1,000, guys. Pwede ka kapalit og katunga. So, meaning, bitalo, you can buy a portion. So, 1,500. So, gindot kayo. So, very, very nice. So, Ubay is a progressive town, a northern part of Bohol province. This is the, guys, the nearby or Daols Hospital. Nearby the hospital. So, actually, kini nga concrete road, paingon na dito, guys, walang mapadayon pa. Dool na, hapit na. So, mo na siya, guys. Mo na naka-advantage niya. Barato siya gamay, kaya ang uban dire is mahal na. So, manay nakanindot niya. Few minutes drive away from the town proper. So, very, very nice yun, no? So, mani ang hospital dapit, guys. Tuol ragid kayo. Residential or mas nindot palito na lang punto tanan, no? For inquiries, just contact me and please subscribe our YouTube channel. So, we will process transfer of title. Then, if you have properties for sale, just submit it to us. So, muna no? Muna ni ang emergency. Don Emilio. Kita mo na to, no? Ano na siya, guys. So, lagi na hospital, guys. Likod ra na dito dapit. Unahan ra gamay. Okay? Thank you and God bless to all.